Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today in this video, I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I have school, that's one of the reasons, and I need to take care of this guy. Girl, actually. Got a dog, it's a puppy, and everybody likes puppies, right? Everybody loves puppies. So then we got one, and yeah. Hi, puppy. And there's my puppy. I'm gonna see if I can show you her face. Lexi! Lexi! Hi, Lexi! Hi! As you can see right here, we have an official bone of Lexi. She's gonna drink her water, so yeah, that's why I haven't been uploading for a while. And bye!